Hello and welcome back to Tech Toolers. In today's video, we will look at a designing tool where you can edit images, audio, video and create fantastic designs. On the left hand side panel, you will find your projects. Projects which are shared by your team are stored in Shared Projects panel. In the template panel, you will find free as well as paid templates. You can use these templates and customize it as per your design requirements. Templates are available in various categories like business, social media, video marketing, education and more. In the features section, you can find and learn many features that are pre-built in Canva. Features that will help you to design and grab more attention of the clients and viewers. Canva has pre-built features like video transitions, video copying, video recordings, video resizing and trimming. You can create beautiful videos for business proposals and marketing. You can learn more about creating designs for branding, presentation, logo designing in Learn section. Get inspired and create your own designs. Canva is free with some limitations for free users. Here is a small demo about how to use a template and customize it for your designing needs. Canva gives all information that are there in design templates. Information like color codes, fonts, and size of the templates. On the left hand side panel, you will find Elements tab where you can add various elements to your project like shapes, caption box, emojis and more. You can also upload your images or videos and create your design from Upload section. You can find fonts and text related options in the text panel. You can also animate your text to make it more attractive. Finally, you can download your design and save it in your computer. There are some options locked for free users, but if you are a paid user, you get more designing and editing tools. Thanks for watching Tech Toolers. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon.